Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Calls. I'm doing my unboxing right now of brand new Google Pixel 10 Pro. Okay, excited, okay? For a lot of different reasons. I like the new color. I'm excited to try something different. Been very bland, kind of changey guy. So this jade green is going to be kind of interesting for me to try out. So yeah, I was kind of looking forward to the XL maybe, but Google, this is what Google sent me, and I'm not, and I've really enjoyed the smaller size of the 9 Pro. I gotta admit, smaller has been growing on me. So let's take it off. Now, I hate having to unbox these because I know I'm gonna rip. I don't like ripping any boxes. I love keeping all these things everywhere with me. Okay, so let's slide this out. Come on, slide out cautiously. Gently. Come on. Slowly but surely. It's gonna come. There we go. Okay. Put that there. Next to my band. Okay, so. Ooh. Okay, so open up the box, and there's our manual. I'm going to assume... Oh, it's not coming out so easily. There we go. It's it was a little stuck in there. Okay, there's no little SIM puller. Usually there's a SIM puller. Maybe it's in the other spot. Okay, go back there. Okay. Now, open that up. Okay, so we got our cord, USB-C to C, and there is no SIM puller. Maybe they figure we've got enough SIM pullers everywhere. Everybody's got even a pin. Okay, so let's get this opened up. And again, I like to do it in a way that I'm not going to rip everything. There we go. Now, oh yeah, I'm not going to get that over the camera bump. There. You get sound effects along with everything I do today. Stay. Cover that up. Stay. Okay. So, honestly, immediately I'm looking at it going, this could be the 9 Pro, this could be the 10 Pro. I don't really know. There is not a lot of difference between these two devices. And for a guy like me, that I like spotting phones in the wild, I'm really noticing a lot of 7s and 8s out there lately. Definitely 8s, a lot more than I know than others. So I will not be able to tell a difference between a 9 and a 10. And that kind of bugs me, because that's what I always bug the iPhone users about. How do you know the difference between if you got an iPhone 10 and 11 or whatever? It's hard to tell. So that doesn't excite me, but at least I'll know because mine's green, therefore mine is the 10. I'm not going to grab the wrong one by accident. So power, volume, and that's one thing I've grown really accustomed to. And on the OnePlus that I'm using, it has in reverse, and it's been a couple of weeks and I still make that mistake. So, okay, so there is a difference there. On the bottom, you'll notice the speaker grills. So you got a SIM tray here. We got 2 speaker grills on the bottom. So then where is the SIM tray on this guy? At the top? Or is there not one on the top here? Oh, that was just the band there. Okay. So there's that. The camera cutout looks almost exactly the same, right? Right. You've got your main, your wide angle, your telephoto. You even got the thermometer adapter thingy there. So that's pretty cool. I like that. I'm going to go play around with it. But before I do that, let's take a look at the case that they sent with it. Now, I'll be the first to admit, have not been as big a fan of their cases in the past few years. Since the 6, I think it was pretty flimsy. I don't mind this one that has a little felt inside of it, but I still find oftentimes when I've been taking it out of my pocket, it's really easy to come out of the pocket with little corners up and around. So we'll see what this one's like. Okay, so it's going to be in matching jade green, which again, I like because matches the color. There's no reason getting a nice color phone and then covering it up with a gray case or a black case. Some people, oh yeah. I gotta try this first off. It's got the charging magnets built in. And there we go. Awesome. I am looking forward to this and actually simplifying. Like, do I even need a case anymore? That's what I really wanted, was that. But I do want to protect it. Yeah. Okay. Go in. So it's got the same kind of felt on the inside as that one did. Feels pretty similar. Now, I have been told these don't line up exactly the same anymore. So I couldn't use my 9 Pro case on my 10 Pro. And I'm going to guess it's that. So there's a microphone on the 9 Pro and then the other thing there. And that's what we're going to take a look at. Okay, so I'll boot her all up. I'll do some initial impressions and I'll do some reviews. If you have any questions, you know where to reach me. Thanks, folks.